Hey guys, welcome to Tech Talks. I'm Ankit. Today we are going to start the most awaited video series on Flutter and Dart programming. In this video, we will introduce ourselves to Flutter, so we will look into what is Flutter. Then we will look into why Flutter is one of the most sought after mobile application framework in the market. We will also look into the various advantages it offers, and we will make solid foundations of Flutter for further lessons. So let's start with what is Flutter. According to Google, Flutter is Google's UI toolkit for building beautiful and native applications from a single code base for mobile, desktops, and the web. Mobile includes both Android and iOS mobile. Desktop includes macOS, Chromebook, Windows, and Linux machines. In technical terms, it belongs to the category of cross-platform development frameworks and tools that allow developers to build and compile native apps for Android and iOS mobile, desktops including macOS, Chromebook, Windows, and Linux machines, and the web. All of it just happen from a single code base. So we can say Flutter is write once and run anywhere framework for application development. Let's jump into why to use Flutter. First and the most important feature of Flutter is it supports for the integration of Flutter with existing Android and iOS apps. What does it mean? It means if your apps are already on production, even though you can start with Flutter and include your Flutter code into your production ready apps. For programmers, for using any framework, IDE also matters. So Flutter comes with Visual Studio Codes, which is most widely code editor or IDE as of today, and it gives support for Android Studio. Android Studio is backed by JetBrains. JetBrains is the company which make best IDEs in the world such as IntelliJ, WebStorm, Ceylon, PyCharm. Next reason of using Flutter is it provides web-based tooling of debugging and inspecting Flutter applications. Dart is the programming language of Flutter because it is optimized for client development with hot reload feature powered by Dart VM so that developers can iteratively make changes and instantly see the result in the app. Dart compiles to native machine code for mobile and desktop as well as JavaScript for the web. Conditional UI is a part of native Flutter framework, so we don't need to use any third-party library for conditional UI in Flutter. Compiled code of Flutter is faster than others, and it increases performance at least by 15% in many cases. Flutter is open source product, so community is the major source of feedback, documentations, and code contributions. As per LinkedIn, Flutter is the fastest growing skill among software engineers. Let's look into some of the advantages Flutter offers, and those advantages are also reasons why to use Flutter. Flutter provides shared UI for all platforms, for mobile, for desktops, and for web apps. To understand this, here is an example of how UI rendering looks like in most cross-platform frameworks. This kind of rendering process makes building an app that looks native to every platform simply, but devil is in the detail. Relying on platform-specific components for rendering provokes a need for a property mapping layer for the platform widgets and framework widget data synchronization. That's what requires mapping every animation into platform-specific widget call. So much more complicated than it need to be, right? In contrast, Flutter doesn't need any platform-specific UI component to render its UI. The only thing Flutter needs to show the application UI is canvas to draw onto. On my screen you can see how it looks. Flutter supports shared business logics in all platforms. Business logic can be shared among mobile apps, whether it's Android or iOS app, desktop apps, and web apps. Flutter reduces development time by providing wide variety of ready-to-use widgets. The most important feature of Flutter is hot reload, which applies changes to most instantly without even losing the current state of application. Application performance is crucial for good user experience. While it's hard to tell exactly in figures, it is safe to say that Flutter applications performance in most cases will be indistinguishable from the native apps, and even better in complex UI animation scenarios. Why so? Contrary to the approach of most cross-platform frameworks, Flutter doesn't rely on intermediate code representations or interpretations. Flutter applications is built directly into machine code, which eliminate any performance bugs of the interpretation process. One of the biggest advantages of Flutter is the ability to customize anything you see on a screen, regardless of how complex it may be. Flutter makes the process more flexible and versatile without adding to the workload. Shade element transitions, shape, colors, shadows, clipping, transformations. Flutter allows you to perform all of these effortlessly. Flutter has its own render engine. Flutter uses Skia for rendering itself onto platform provided canvas. Because of the engine, UI built in Flutter can be launched on virtually any platform. Putting it differently, you no longer have to adjust UI to transfer it to the platform, which simplifies the development process hugely. Flutter supports simple platform specific logic implementation. Besides the UI, many real life mobile applications rely on advanced OS level features such as GPS, Bluetooth communications, gathering sensor data, and permission handling. Many of these are available when developing a Flutter applications through ready to use plugins supported by Google. Flutter provides an easy to use way of establishing connection between platform native code and Dart through the platform channels. This way, you can implement anything that a native app can do on Flutter app with just a little extra effort on the native side. Last but not the least, Flutter has the potential ability to go beyond the mobile. You can develop web applications with a Flutter and desktop applications with a Flutter. Let's summarize what we have learned. We have just covered what is Flutter, then we looked into why to use Flutter. Then we looked many benefits of Flutter, which are also reason of why to use Flutter. And we made solid foundation of Flutter for our further lessons. That's what I wanted to discuss with you guys in this video. If you have any question, feedback or suggestions, please write in below comments or post on my Twitter. My Twitter handler is Kumar Ankit. Thank you.